What's going on, YouTube? Doing a small little update, letting you know once we get 100 subscribers, I'll actually show you the full progress of these things getting done. Let's get 100 subscribers, man. Then we get a new camera. Right now, I'm just using my phone. Can't be doing it, wasting up a lot of data, So, we finally got the Civic EG K-Series swap. Finally got that shit all done up. You know what I mean? We'll fire it up for you in a minute. And then, yeah, that's looking good though. Look, I know it's dirty as shit right now, but I'm putting all the parts back together. Had that donor Integra over there. And we got my CRX fully built. Got this thing firing up and running. Running sick too. Be starting it up for you. Carbon fiber fenders. Carbon fiber hood. Sick. Yeah, this motherfucker is gonna be a beast. Alright, let me start up this CRX for you. Give me a minute. Be right back. Alright, we're gonna fire this thing up right now. Keep an eye on that motor. Yeah. Got race fuel in it. Get her done. Now we just got to get the tune right. Once we get that tune right, she'll idle perfect. You know what I mean? But slowly putting it together. It's getting done.